further, a contract is an agreement between two or more legally competent persons that gives rise to legal rights and obligations that are enforceable by law. Now, let me explain the 4 points of that are enforceable by law. What does it mean to say that something is enforceable by law? Now, it is not every agreement that is enforceable. Some agreements are unenforceable because they may be illegal. They may be what? Illegal. For instance, I agree with you that I'm going to pay you money to kill somebody that I don't like. This certainly is an agreement. Because it involves payment of money and the killing, I have an obligation to pay the money and I have the right to get that person killed. And you have the obligation to kill that person and you have the right to get the money paid to you. But let's see, would the law enforce this if one party fails? No, because it is clearly a contract of illegality. So in contract law, every agreement you enter into must be enforceable by law. A contract is enforceable by law if the contract is not against the law or against public policy. We are going to study very shortly that any contract that is against public policy is not enforceable by law. Or any contract that must be vitiated by any of the known vitiating factors will not be enforced. So please, this is the nature, this is the definition of a contract. A contract is an agreement between two or more legally competent persons that gives rise to legal rights and obligations that are enforceable by law. You cannot run to the court and say that I'm suing somebody for breach of contract or for specific performance. And the court will ask, what is the contract? You say, my lord, I paid a lot of money for him to kill my disturbing wife. And he took the money and said he will not kill. The court should compel him to kill my wife for me. Is it going to work?
No.
No. So every contract must be legal before it can be enforced.